Hey everyone, welcome back. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to share your workspace in Clickup. Sharing your workspace is essential when you want teammates, clients, or collaborators to access tasks, projects, and updates efficiently. Let's start right from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to the Clickup website. Once it loads, sign into your Clickup account using your email and password. After logging in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard. From here, navigate to the workspace you want to share. Next, look toward the bottom of the left sidebar or open the workspace settings by clicking your profile icon. Find and click the option labeled People or Manage Members. This section allows you to add new members, guests, or teams to your workspace. To share the workspace, click the Invite People or Add Members button. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite. You can also choose their role and permissions like admin, member, or guest, depending on what level of access they need. This helps you control who can edit, comment, or only view content. After entering emails and selecting roles, click Send Invite. The invited users will receive an email with a link to join your workspace. Once they accept, they'll appear in your people list and can start collaborating immediately. Another tip, you can also share specific spaces, folders, or lists individually without giving full workspace access. This is useful for clients or contractors who only need access to certain projects. You can set permissions for view, comment, or edit to maintain control. ClickUp also allows you to share links to tasks, docs, or boards inside or outside your workspace. Use these links for quick collaboration without giving full access. This keeps sensitive areas private while allowing collaboration where it's needed. And that's it. Sharing your workspace in ClickUp is straightforward, flexible, and helps keep teams aligned and productive. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your team, and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp tips. Hope this helped, and thanks for watching.